Okay, Mama, here we go, huh?
The day have arrived.
Can you believe it? 2 months ago, this was just the idea, and now we're here, huh?
Yeah.
The day of drawing.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put my hand in here.
Yeah, and we've got Garth here from Top Zete, the owner of Top Zete.
Hi guys.
Thank you very much for doing this for us. This is just the biggest prize we've ever given away.
Well, we've watched you guys for a long time, and when you guys mentioned our name, it was a given. We had to do it.
The cool was the cat.
You guys are awesome, so we're happy to
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
partnership
much.
with you guys.
Yeah.
I look forward to more.
Yeah, and I hope that the right person is going to win this stuff. The one that's going to use it.
Yeah.
It mustn't just be like a
white elephant.
Yeah, wit olifant. They must actually use it. And before we go on, remember that we've got the braai lighters as well. We've got 24 packs of braai lighters, so 72 times you can light your hot tub for free. Amazing, huh?
It's going to be a good December.
Yeah, it's going to be a lucky December for somebody.
Yeah.
Mama, you're going to do it for us.
Yeah,
before we go on, tell us about your Top Zete business. How did you come by doing this?
So it started, basically I was looking for a hot tub, but because I'm a builder, I thought, well, let me try and build something. And I built my first one. It didn't look very great. We used that, cladded it with wood, and then my neighbor saw us building the tub in my backyard. And she then said that she has clients that are interested. And we sold it too, and then it just basically snowballed from there.
Crazy, huh? Wow.
And then once I posted an ad, and it was just amazing how much people were actually interested in our product.
Yeah, because it's the best hot tub out there.
I must say, we've been sitting in, we actually discussed it the other day. I think we've been sitting in about 150 of these things in the past three and a half years.
Yeah.
And still, not because it's yours, because we just love it. It's so comfortable. You sit underneath the water.
It sits so lekker.
It's so nice. It heats up quickly.
Yeah.
So it's an amazing hot tub.
Thank you. Thank
Well
you.
done
Yes,
in designing this.
Well, we just thought what we would want. We wouldn't want to be sitting halfway in the tub.
Especially in the winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd rather want to have the option to raise your body yourself rather than be like
Yeah.
halfway or laying down in the tub.
Yeah.
So yeah, I thought try to think of everything. Obviously, we can't make everybody happy.
Yeah.
But this is where we are. We're always improving. We always listen to customers, what they want. And that's how the accessories came about.
And
so.
show them the accessories. You've got the comfort line here. Show them what you can add. Everything you can add on the
So
hot
the
tub.
comfort package is basically you get your step with it, your ice bucket, your table, your spoon, the heat exchanger. Underneath the heat exchanger is the ashtray.
Yeah.
Which is under this one here.
Oh, okay,
That's
yeah,
the ashtray. And then the ripstop cover. That's the comfort package.
Nice.
Okay. And then there's the deluxe package, which will include the heat exchanger, the chimney and the lid, and then the wood bag.
Yeah, that's also quite a nice touch.
Just hold this. Let me show them. Look at this wood bag.
There's a nice one.
It looks so fancy, huh? Look at that. You pack in all your wood here. Huh?
Yeah.
Very fancy. I like it.
Just to make it easy, so you just reach over the top, put your wood in there,
very nice.
and sort it.
Cool.
Okay.
Right, Mama, you ready for this, huh?
I'm very ready.
You've been
very ready.
For about 2 weeks now already.
Yeah,
listen,
goodness.
just hold this again. Sorry, I just want to, we've got some champagne here from BC Wines. As soon as we read this name, we're going to have to pop this. We're going to have to pop this. Yeah.
Okay.
So Mama, you do the draw. We need a drum roll now.
I just wanted to say, do a drum roll.
Put your finger in, shake it around.
I'm going to do this.
We've got, by the way, we've got 328 entries. So thank you very much for all of you that entered. Yeah, it's amazing.
Good luck.
And Mama, shake it.
Proef my maak 'n cocktail.
Shake it, and then stir it for just more stirring.
Okay, stirring the pot now. I'm going to take a lekker drum roll.
You get one.
Dis 'n klein papiertjie, maar hy's baie werd.
26,800, eh?
That's right.
That's what it's worth.
Helena Kershoff.
Helena Kershoff. I don't know where you're from.
Ek gaan jou nou bel.
But well done. Let's pop it. Helena.
Wow.
We're gonna phone you now, Helena. I hope you're gonna enjoy that tub. Mama, while I pour us some champagne, you can phone Helena. Asa Elena, on you.
Cheers.
Well done. I hope you're going to enjoy this hot tub and you're going to make lots and lots and lots of memories in it.
Yes, buy some BC wines, put up some nice lights and you've
And some
got
nice
it.
platters and everything.
Yes.
Cheers. Thanks, Garth.
Thanks.
Mama, you must phone her.
Let's do it.
Mazai. I hope she's going to pick up.
Hallo Elena. Hoe gaan dit?
Hoi. Klaar nie, dankie self.
Nee, lekker, dankie. Dit is Lizani so van Doing It Together YouTube. Hoe gaan dit?
Klaar nie, dankie self.
Nee, lekker. Ag, ek wil net hoor, het jy 'n plekkie reg daar vir die hot tub wat jy sopas gewen het?
Rare.
Baie geluk, Elena.
Well done.
Hoi, baie dankie.
Nee.
Dit is nou nogal 'n verrassing.
'n Verrassing. Ek het so gehoop jy tel op want die foon het lank gelui toe dog ek o, jene. Ons
Ek kan dit nou regtig nie glo nie, hoor.
Ja.
nee, dis regtig, dis nie 'n scam nie, dis regtig waar.
Ons staan hier so, hoor hier so. Ons staan hier so met 'n glasie champagne. Ons klink dit op jou.
Baie dankie. Ek het by die werk sê ek van
Oh,
my
shit.
in die lug hou.
Oh, wow. So ons gaan jou nommer vir Garth gee. Ons staan hier so by Tap ZA se fabriek en hy gaan vir jou kontak binne die volgende paar dae en dan sal hy met jou reëlings tref om dit vir julle te bring.
Okay.
Van waar is jy?
Van Woester.
Nou, van Woester.
Van Woester. Okay.
Daar, ek wil net vir jou sê daar gaan dalk so 'n klein kostetjie wees om die ding daar te kry. Maar ek weet jy kry jou 26,000 rand se tap, so dis fantasties.
Dit sal seker nie te erg wees nie, baie dankie.
En ons wil net vra dat as die hot tub nou in is en jy sit daai eerste keer in om vir ons asseblief 'n foto te stuur. Jy kan dit sommer vir Kief stuur of jy kan dit op Doing It Together se blad of Facebook post as jy wil.
Okay.
Sal dit werk? Okay.
Ek sal vir julle stuur, baie dankie.
Okay, nou maar toe geniet dit, hoor.
Nogmaals baie geluk. Right.
Baie dankie.
Plesie.
Right. Bye. That was exciting, eh?
Oh, yeah.
And you've got some news.
So because this went so well, I think there's plans for us to do it again. So whoever hasn't won a tub this time round, just watch out next year. We will do something again.
Gee, well done.
So that everybody that hasn't got it this time round has another chance.
Yes.
Yeah, well done.
And remember,
Thank
if
you.
you've got a hot tub, there's a lot of amazing stuff you can buy. The add-ons.
Yeah.
Just phone Tap ZA and sort yourself
You must
out.
definitely buy the platter board. Huh?
Yeah.
That clips on. It like this one. Like this one. That one there. It clips on the side.
Yeah.
And you can put your platter on there.
Yeah, and the step and the nice champagne basket. I
holder.
love that.
And everything
Very
looks
nice.
so
Well put
stylish.
together.
That's well put together, yeah. I like
Yeah,
it.
it needed to bring a drawer, so when you put this at your place, it must feel.
It looks
like-
luxury. It looks luxury. That's the word.
Yeah.
And using the tub on its own is a different experience.
Yes,
That's
yes.
so nice.
Oh,
like it.
nice.
Whoever's
Lekker.
next,
Yeah.
Yeah.
just keep an eye out for the next draw.
Yes.
We will let you know as soon as we gonna launch the new draw
Competition,
So
yeah.
We'll let you know on a video, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think while we're here, we've got all these names, and I feel sad for the people that didn't win. Let's do another draw,
Yes.
and we draw for 3 bottles of BC wine.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That 3-pack.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Let
So
me
we're
just
gonna
put
hand
down
out
my-
3 bottles to the next one that the name she draws.
Okay. I'm not going to spin it again.
Yeah, it's
I've been mixing it all up. So I'm just going to do this.
Okay.
See?
So this one is not for the hot tub, sorry, but
It's
this
a
is
3-pack BC wine.
this is for the BC wines.
Oh, Alfred Brink van Durban.
Oh wow, okay.
Durban.
Well done,
We will
Alfred.
contact you, Alfred.
Yeah, you haven't got the hot tub, but maybe you can buy a hot tub from Garth
And drink the wine in
and
there.
drink the wine in the hot tub.
Yeah, good plan.
Yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and
Yes.
stay tuned. In the next couple of videos, it's only going to be next year sometime.
Yes.
We're gonna launch another one, and then hopefully we're gonna get more people that want to buy this thing.
Yes.
That's it. Cheers.
It's really amazing.
Yeah. Thanks. That was
Cheers.
nice. Bye. See you again.